continued today over Public Protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane's recommendation for a constitutional amendment to change the mandate of the Reserve Bank. Mkhwebane's recommendations drew widespread criticism and an urgent High Court application by the bank to review and set aside the recommendation. The Reserve Bank says that it's consulting with its legal team on the way forward. It says it will proceed with a separate application for the review of the Public Protector's report and what it calls factual inaccuracies. Last month, Mkhwebane said that the bank had failed in its duties to protect the public by not ensuring that ABSA repaid an apartheid-era bailout given to the failed bank Corp. The rand fell nearly 2% on her remarks. Questions have now been raised as to why Mkhwebane has put forward the remedial action on the bank's mandate in the first place.
I think if you check my affidavit, I've explained how I came about to this remedial action. The current narrow mandate of the Reserve Bank in the Constitution, because it focuses on the currency protection. Therefore, the lifeboat was issued based on that, because the allegation was if that was not done, it was going to have a run on the banks. So it was purely focusing on that. Therefore, remember the remedial action of the Public Protector, as well as confirmed by the Constitutional Court, and again on the Ombudsman principles. When you issue a remedial action which is appropriate, it needs to be efficient, it needs to address the maladministration, it needs to address the root causes, and it needs to make sure that the same prejudice is not going forward. Therefore, coming to this conclusion was that if the Reserve Bank mandate remains the same, and I need to state clearly that I respect the independence of the Reserve Bank, but the thing was, why not broaden the mandate of the Reserve Bank? So hence I'm saying that it was purely based on that, and it was purely based on the investigation. There's no higher source or whatever, but the thing is, we have an internal research which we've done comparing to other reserve banks, their mandates which are broader.